Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the classification of cosmeceutical product. Cosmeceutical products are the best and the classified as follow: skin whitening and the depigmenting cosmeceuticals, moisturizing cosmeceuticals, anti-wrinkle, sunscreen, anti-photo aging, and the antioxidant, growth factor, peptides, metals, anti-inflammatory. First is antioxidant. Antioxidants are the man-made or the natural substance that may prevent or delay some type of cell damage. Antioxidants are the compounds that inhibit oxidation, a chemical reaction that can produce free radicals and chain reactions that may damage the cell of the organisms. Antioxidants neutralize damaging free radicals by quenching reactive molecules. Examples are the vitamin A, B, C, and E, alpha lipoic acids, and coenzyme. Next is the examples of vitamin A forms. Several forms of vitamin A are used commercially in the particular retinol, retinoyl esters, retinaldehyde. Mechanisms are the retinol, vitamin A is oxidized into the retinaldehyde and then into the retinoic acids. The biologically active forms of the vitamin A in vivo. There are studied the there are the trials, random trials reported the significant improvement in the fine wrinkle after 12 and 24 weeks. Alpha lipoic acids anti-inflammatory properties act as the exfoliant in the split face study. Topical 5% ALA applied for the 12 weeks reduce the skin roughness, lightness, and the fine wrinkles. Ascorbic acids, there is a clinical data to support the use of topical vitamin C to improve the fine line and reduce the both pigmentation and inflammation, and may the cosmeceutical formulation contain this antioxidant before and after. Next is the niacin. Niacinamides, it is the potent oxidant and it improves the lipid barrier component of the epidermis, thus reducing the transepidermal water loss and act as an inhibitor of the melanosomes transfer, resulting in the reducing hyperpigmentation spot. Alpha tocopherol vitamin E taken orally, it protects membrane lipid from peroxidant and it has been shown to reduce the sebum and the sunburn cell after UV exposure, utilize the free radicals and act as the humectant. In today's class, I discuss about vitamin of example A, antioxidant. Thank you for watching.